In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a Google Sheet. While Google Sheets doesn't use a traditional password for individual files, you can effectively lock things down by protecting a sheet or a specific range. This is perfect when you want others to view information but prevent changes, or when certain cells must stay locked while you continue collaborating. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets so you're looking at the tab you want to secure. With the file open, go to the top menu bar and click Data. From the drop-down, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. This is your control center for choosing what to lock and who can edit it. Click Add a sheet or range to create a new protection rule. You'll see two choices: Sheet and Range. Select Sheet if you want to lock the entire tab, then pick the specific tab from the list. If you only need to lock certain cells, switch to Range, and confirm that the cell selection shown matches what you want. Adding a short description here can help you identify what the rule covers later. Once your selection looks correct, click Set Permissions. A dialog will appear where you control who can make edits. For a private lock, choose Only You. This ensures that even collaborators who can view the file won't be able to change the protected area. If you occasionally work with a trusted teammate, you can allow specific editors instead, but remember that anyone you add here will only be able to modify the protected selection you defined. Click Done to save the rule. You'll now see your protection listed in the sidebar, and you can return here anytime to adjust or remove it. Protected sheets typically show a lock indicator, and anyone without permission who tries to edit will be blocked or prompted to request access. A quick note for clarity: this method restricts editing, not viewing. If you need to keep the entire file private, manage access from the Share button and limit who can open the document. Used together with sheet or range protection, this gives you strong, practical control, similar to password protection, but built directly into Google Sheets' permission system. For extra peace of mind, double-check that the correct sheet or cell range is selected before setting permissions, and consider testing with a second account or an incognito window to confirm everything is locked exactly as intended.